Alright, you guys. Here's what exceptional artist just gave this to me to my home. Also, Sprout's going to be on, just sent to here, well, before on Saturday at 2 in the afternoon on Zoom. They're going to be able to join me. Just what Rhea just said. I'm going to see what we have here. Let me check this out. Hopefully this... Oh, look at this one. Alright, let's see what we have. This is a sculpturally clay. Probably it is a sculpture clay. Oh yeah, googly eyes. Sculpturally eraser, I think. You got this art tools like paintbrushes. And this is the clay pan, heavily clay pan, but it is clay pan. And this has got a blank paint paper, a couple of this for those washable creative kits. I think there's about 8 washable color paints. Right, I'm just have just said you before. Let's get those googly eyes. Look at all those googly eyes are. Kind of crimps over. Let me just, well, yeah, stick onto those bottom. Now, kids usually have to interested about their exceptional artists. Like, we went to for the Museum of Modern Art nearby the Rockefeller Center. I gotta tell you guys, when I just modeling for those project, it kind of like, you know, like I remember what I can draw. Hopefully it's kind of cool one. Now, and again, this is the sculpture clay. That's what I showed you before. This is the sculpture clay. I'm trying to separate for the googly eyes. You know, it's just got. Don't want to overcrowd. Alright. I'm gonna get to that for Saturday at 2 p.m. We'll be able to wait for me on Zoom. And now that's how you get here for the exceptional artists. But thank you so much, exceptional artists, to sending to me to my home. Saturday at 2 p.m. Sprout's going to be able to join me. Going to be live streaming on Zoom to make something for the arts and crafts. So I'm going to be see you on Saturday with the exceptional artists at Zoom with Sprout at 2 p.m. and we're going to be doing for the arts and crafts. We're going to stick around here and I'll see you next time.